Good morning, students. Today we discuss death and the destruction of the people. You can see page number 178 from this bar graph. From this examination part, they are asking this bar graph how many people are passed away and how many deaths are occurred from World War I and World War II. These information very important. So that's why keenly observed and listened. The two World War was different from the other wars. Why? The World War I and World War II are too different from the other any wars. Through the independence wars, or independent movement wars, or colonial powers breaking out any movement wars. Those are different from this one. These are very different from that. Why? Because more death or destructions are happening from these World War I and World War II. What are the reasons for this one? You can see here, the death and destruction was caused by the unprecedented. The World War was claimed over 10 million men in the battle. Almost 10 million men are passed away World War I. From this part, mostly affected the Russians. They losing the most part of the men in the World War I. At the same time, in this war, in the behalf of Britishers, the Indian soldiers are fight along with these opponents. Almost 75,000 Indians passed away in Africa and European countries. Similarly, we observed the Second World War. Even it is more very terrible situation than the World War I. These World War II, 22 to 25 millions, the military soldiers, including ex-power or allied powers, whatever may be, totally these military people are passed away. At the same time, 40 to 50 millions, 40 to 52 million civilians are also passed away. What are the reasons for this? These massive destructions are occurred. From this part, at the same time, the end of the World War II, 1945, on August 6th and August 9th, Hiroshima, Japan and Nagasaki, both are in the Japan countries. These two major cities are faced by the nuclear bombs. From the nuclear bombs from the Hiroshima, 150,000 population passed away. And Nagasaki, nearly 2,46,000 people are passed away. Those are mostly civilians. These type of, not only this one, the Hitler in Germany, 6 million Jewish people are also assassinated due to the Holocaust. So all these things we can observe. Most part of the civilians population are destructed, and effect of these war, not only these destructions, after this death, so many long diseases such as leukemia and cancer and lingered for the decades of years, which is continue the human races. So between the nation may have lost longer, but also the war is not geographically widespread. These effects as lethal as one of the 20th century we can observe. Now what are the power blocks we observed in the World War I and World War II? Mostly two major power blocks are created in 19th century ended to 20th century. The second effect of the world during the period divided into world, the nation states grouping of these nations, the world are into two power blocks. Why they are the major power blocks? Because each country they separate marketings, and they need not to compete with any other countries. They want to markets, at the same time freely availability of the raw material from the colonies. So competition for the colonies preparation, or forming the colony or occupying the colony. These competitions make power blocks groups. That's why two power blocks you can observe in. We have to read these earlier classes, emergence of the nationalism and the movement for the nation states in 19th century. But the process of the national formation also accelerated with the scramble of among the industrialist nations and control over the world in greater size. The world of diplomacy, army, back up to the national interest. Why they are? Because they gather the army means that is the national interest. each and every country has to make to respect or show to their power to any other countries. At the same time, some countries, they make to create a fear in the small countries or any other countries. So along with that one, these powers are not sufficient. They want to tie up with the military ties with other countries. That's why power blocks are created. These two power blocks, first one is called center, second power block is called entity or alliance. So these center you can observe from Britain to France and Russia, and alliance observed in Germany, Hungary, Austria. So these power blocks from the World War I it is we observed. At the same time, Second World War we can observe World War II, Axis powers and Allied powers. Axis powers in the at least Germany. Alliance powers, the major power blocks groups are USA and USSR. That means America and Russia. Okay. Similarly, we observe the two power blocks make great competition one to another. They make to choose their powers in the world. Now, causes of the two World War comparison. What are the causes of World War I? You know, first one, the 20th century dissimilarity is separated by the 21 years changes, economical condition, diplomatic alliances, military hardwares. All these things are not only the cause, and also, however, purpose of the understanding the difference and comparison, the World War of the 20th century will be the good method. What will the first comparative immediately provocation, then the main cause of the two World War. What are the major provocation of the World War I? That is Austria Prince. Who is the Austria Prince? Archduke Fritz Ferdinand. Archduke Fritz Ferdinand. 28th June 1914 was assassinated in the hand of a Serbian. That's why Serbia was allied powers with US and France and Russia. At the same time, Austria want to reply from the Serbia and made the culprit person hand out to the Austria, but Serbia is not listening this warning. That's why Austria declared war on the Serbia. The Serbia had a military treaty along with USA, United Kingdom, France and Russia. These countries have declared war on the Austria. Austria has a military treaty along with the Germany, and that's why there are 100 countries in Europe gathered joining in the one. Like this, in the European countries started a war, it is spreading in the world war. Tomorrow, remain part, I will explain for you. Thank you.